Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pulanuru Divya Educations. If you like my content, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Today we are discussing about laws of exponents, exponent rules or laws. So totally 8 exponent rules are here. Product rule. Product rule equals to a power m into a power n, that is equal to a power m plus n. So product rule, a power m into a power n, that is equal to a power m plus n. So quotient rule. So a power m divided by a power n, that is equal to a power m minus n. Power of a power rule. So a power m whole power n, that is equal to a power m into n or a power mn. Power of a quotient rule. A by b whole power m, that is equal to a power m divided by b power m. So power of a quotient rule, a by b whole power m, that is equal to a power m by b power m. So zero exponent rule. Zero exponent rule is equal to a power 0 is equal to 1. So a power 0 is equal to 1. Negative exponent rule. So చూద్దాం. A power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a power m. Negative exponent rule. So a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Power of a product rule. So ఇక్కడ power of a power rule, power of a quotient rule and power of a product rule చూద్దాం. ab whole power m, that is equal to a power m into b power m. సో ab whole power m కాబట్టి a power m into b power m. Fractional exponent rule. సో ఫ్రాక్షనల్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ రూల్ ఏంటి? ఏ పవర్ m by n. సో ఏ పవర్ m by n, that is equal to nth root of a power m. సో దీన్ని ఎలా చెప్పచ్చు అంటే nth root of a power m. సో లాస్ ఆఫ్ exponent rules అనొచ్చు ఆర్ లాస్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel.